Bea De Leon palaging target si Joanna Maraginot.
Bea De Leon catching Joanna Maraginot at her defense. The classics are here. Take a look at that again. Good target. And the floater at that. Tingnan mo yung bola ni BDF.
A similar image but the other way around for set number 1 in the middle.
And this is what you want from your setter, yung pababawiin ka agad. Lalo na, hiikot na si Bea. Consistency finding Joanna Maraginot. Mukhang siya talaga yung target.